The Porsche 911 GT3 or SPDK is a two-seater coupe. The 911 GT3 or SPDK dimensions is 4,573 mm L by 1,852 mm W x 1,279 mm H. The Porsche 911 GT3 or SPDK uses a 7-speed automatic transmission. 911 GT3 or SPDK 3996cc engine offers 503 horsepower of power and 470 Nm of torque. The 911 GT3 or SPDK top competitors are Gran Turismo and C-Stradale V8, AMG GTS, Taycan Turbo and GLE Class 53 Thematic Plus Coupe.